welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights. Today is Saturday, February the 14th, 2026.
Happy Valentine's Day, Sonia.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Well, the big update for today is the signage has been placed on the building at the 3 entrances. The 125-foot tall sign is still yet to be installed. It's still sitting in the parking lot, as well as one of the Buc-ee's logos still needs to be placed on the north side of the south fuel pump island. Looks like they still have some work to do on that facade before they can get that logo installed. There's work going on the back of the building at the small utility building. They've also put some scaffolding up by the loading dock area. Looks like they're going to be putting a wall up there. Got some work going on at the underground fuel storage tanks. The billboard on I-70 has changed this week. It now reads, "Now Hiring." We'll go ahead and insert a picture of that right here. It says now hiring. It's got the wages on there, $18 to $23 an hour. And you can go to buc-ees.com to go ahead and apply for a job here. I'm sure there's a lot of work going on inside the building. There's a lot of cars in the parking lot. There's a lot of people up on the roof checking out all the rooftop units, trying to get everything going. So we're down here doing our weekly video, and we ran into 2 of our subscribers, and they're from Lima, Ohio. And I'm gonna let them tell you their names and where they're.
Becky Malecki.
And Tom Malecki.
And you guys have been watching our channel for a while?
Since you guys have started, we watch every one. We look for it every week.
Well, we appreciate it.
Yep.
And so you guys are looking forward to this Buc-ee's grand opening?
Yeah, I think we're going to be here in the morning.
And you told us that you visited the Buc-ee's in Daytona.
We've visited every Buc-ee's between here and Daytona. Awesome. So we make them our stops along the way when we go on vacation. Cool.
Well, we appreciate you guys watching our channel.
Thank you so much for stopping.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys.
And thanks for stopping and saying hello to us.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Yep. See you guys then. Thank you. Thank you.
So we're about 7 weeks away from the grand opening. So how many of you out there are planning to come down for the grand opening? And if you are, where are you traveling from? Let us know in the comments below.
Or if you're just going to show up the day that it does open, and just not come at 6 o'clock in the morning.
So I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
My mind went blank.
As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road and enjoy the rest of the video.
We filmed this driving scene as well as the opening clip in the video on Friday night. Friday night, the sky looked a lot better than it did on Saturday. A lot of blue skies and sun. Just didn't have any time on Friday to fly the drone and do the actual video. Here's a couple pictures that we took from across the street on Friday night. Kind of gives you a little sneak peek at some of the construction progress on the inside of the building. This is a look at the retail store. You can see what the store looks like now with the Buc-ee's signs and logos at the 3 entrances and exits of the building. You can also see a lot of workers up on the roof, working on the rooftop units, getting things ready for the grand opening. Still haven't installed the Buc-ee's statue yet on the north side of the building. Around the back of the building, you can see there's still some concrete left to be poured. Also got some scaffolding in place around the loading dock area. This is the small utility building located at the back of the property. You can see a lot of progress has been made here. Still need to build the walls to close this area in. Got some workers out here working at the underground fuel storage tank area. Here in the south parking lot, you can see the one lone Buc-ee's logo that has yet to be installed. This particular logo will be installed on the south fuel pump island on the north side, which you can see here. Still a little bit of work left to do to get this facade ready. This is the intersection of I-70 and State Route 235. We're also going to take a look at State Route 235 in front of the Buc-ee's property. This is the intersection of State Route 235, Center Point Boulevard, and Buc-ee's Boulevard.